Hi everyone, I'm Lisa Curcio and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. I want to teach you today how to do ink splattering. This is a technique where you're going to get small variations of color and ink splatters across your projects. This works great for your cards, your 3D projects, and even your scrapbooking. As long as you're using ink that is photo safe, you are good to go for your memory keeping as well. What you're going to need to do is you're going to take your Stampin' Up! Classic ink pad and you're going to squeeze it. We've made the lids semi-flexible, which is going to allow you to open it up and you're going to find a pool of ink inside the lid. Now leave the ink open because you're going to want to work here. You're going to need an Aqua Painter. If you're not sure what this is a self-contained watercolor brush. The lid comes off and you put tap water down inside. You can just screw the lid back on. This eliminates the need for a cup of water and it makes it a lot neater. What I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze a little water inside the lid. And I'm going to wet this a lot. I want to make the consistency really runny so that I can create that splatter. I'm using Whisper White cardstock, but try shimmer paper, watercolor paper, or anything else you have in your stamping artillery. Once your ink has been watered down to the consistency where it's really runny, all you're going to do is you're going to use your index finger from the other hand as a base for you to tap the Aqua Painter against. Now I'm going to tell you right now, you can try to control it, hence why it's called splatter. So you're going to see me tapping it and you're going to see the splatter coming across the cardstock. The one reason I love this is its subtle color, which doesn't take away from the entire project. I'm going to slide that to the side and I actually have a finished card here that I want to provide that red splatter to. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull in some more ink from here and then I'm going to tap. That's going to give me those splatters on my card just for some simple background color. Now it's important to leave it flat while it dries so that the ink doesn't continue to run because remember we did make this quite runny. You can go ahead and clean out your Aqua Painter by squeezing the barrel and letting water run through, but it will take quite a bit of the water that's inside of here to clean that tip. So what I do is I just take it over to the sink and rinse it out, or in this case with this technique you can have your cup of water nearby to rinse it. And then just go ahead and pinch your bristles and then recap it and it's ready to go for next time. This is called the ink splatter technique, and I hope it's provided some fun background ideas using your ink pad and your Aqua Painter. Thanks so much for joining me, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next week for another quick tip. Have a great day.